extradition request, Igboho's fate hangs in the balance. 5 days after the arrest of Yoruba Nation agitator Sunday Igboho at the Cardinal Bernardin International Airport, Cotonou, Benin Republic, it is becoming increasingly clear that the legal battle to either extradite him to Nigeria or hand him back his freedom might get protracted. Yesterday, despite the presence of his lawyer and supporters at the Cour d'Appel de Cotonou, the case was not heard. The trial judge had last Thursday adjourned the case to yesterday after ordering the release of his wife Roko, whom it ruled had not committed any offense. One of Igboho's lawyers, Yomi Aliyu, told The Guardian that the case was not heard yesterday but was adjourned to Monday, July 26th. This is even as another of his counsels, Ibrahim David Salami, has clarified that Igboho was arrested with Nigerian and German passports, contrary to the claims that he was being tried for processing a Beninese passport despite not being a citizen of the country. Salami told BBC Yoruba that it is not true that Benin Republic passport was found on Sunday Igboho when he was arrested. What was found on him were Nigerian and German passport, which would make sense because he was going to Germany, and I don't know, again, if he might need a visa as a Nigerian to go to Germany. So if he had a German passport, then I guess it was justified for him to actually be for him to actually book a flight to actually go there because he's a citizen of Germany. I guess that makes sense. Meanwhile, Maxwell Adele, the communications manager of the umbrella body of Yoruba Self-Determination Group, Ilana Omodua, has disclosed that Nigeria did not file any charge against Igboho when he was arraigned at the court on Thursday. Adele, in a statement yesterday, said the lawyers handling the case reported after Thursday's proceedings that Igboho could not be extradited to Nigeria. I mean, at least, again, we understand that this is a dream of the Nigerian government. At least he has lawyers that are out here talking and basically clearing things up. But the thing is, there is news everywhere. And with him being a public figure and someone of, someone of controversy, especially with the Nigerian government, I think people are saying different things about how strong the Benin Republic Constitution is and how they apply the law very well. And I'm like, not to be stereotypical about African leaders or anything, but you're telling me of all countries in Africa that could actually do that is Benin Republic. I don't trust the Benin Republic government. So again, everything is looking very much extra. I don't know. The fact is, there are things flying around everywhere. I am so confused as to why they'd release his wife. I'm like, why you release? I mean, obviously, yes, in a good sense, of course, they should release, both of them, to be very honest. But I don't know. It's a bit random. Why would you just release the wife? Is it because she's a woman? Like, I'm so confused because you releasing the wife. Okay, I'm not trying to give them tips on how to, get him, but you releasing the wife puts you at a risk of she exposing everything that has been done. You know what I mean? So summary of the news is that the Benin court adjourns case to Monday. He had no Beninese passport at the point of arrest, the lawyer clarifies. Igboho is a political refugee, says Adebanjo, and the Federal High Court orders DSS to produce detained associates on July 29th. That's basically the summary of the whole thing. So, it is time for Nigerian barristers to learn lessons from Benin Republic with the trial of Igboho's case. Please, you people should stop defending criminals and exercise your legal responsibilities that has been entrusted on you. Igboho was found guilty with a fake passport. Did you read? Because the lawyer clarified that it was only a German and a Nigerian passport that was found in his possession at the time of the arrest. So I don't understand what the Nigerian lawyers need to learn from it. It's not like as if Nigerian lawyers do not know what is right to do. They know what is right to do, but the system allows and gives the leeway for them to be corrupt, and they choose to participate, and that is what is happening. So again, it's like, what are you trying to? Because again, you as a Nigerian, you should understand the circumstances in which Igboho was arrested, and you understand that the Nigerian government will do what they can. When they set their mind to do something, they will do it. They literally worked with Kenya in detail to, produce Nnamdi Kanu. And you think they wouldn't do the same with Benin Republic? that is literally right beside them. I mean, obviously, when it comes, I genuinely do think that the Nigerian government does have a certain sort of leverage and power over most of African countries. And again, I don't know if they defend them when it comes to this, but it is what it is. It is only Nigerian barristers that will be found defending such cases. These 21 years imprisonment is doctored. Can this type of law move well in Nigeria? Please preserve our law and stop strangulating them for a better Nigeria. Okay. Cool. Benin is a law-abiding country, unlike lawless Nigeria here. I don't. Okay, fine. I understand that. Okay, fine. We are frustrated and we'd want a different situation where the Nigerian government, or like it's a common knowledge that the law is applied in Nigeria. But you cannot pretend to me that Benin Republic is the same as well. Again, obviously, I've not been. I don't know people who are from Benin Republic, but maybe I'm just being stereotypical and maybe I'm just, just judging. But I'm like, is it Benin Republic you want to learn from as Nigeria? Sorry, but no. Except I'm wrong. And, if you're free to put in whatever you want to do in the comment section below, but I understand the merits of the law. I mean, again, I can only have an opinion because my opinion is, and I don't have facts to prove this. I mean, my opinion is, I think 21 years is too much. It is too much for someone forging a passport. If anything, fine them a hefty amount. But 21 years, absolutely not. So yeah, I mean, I guess it is different, but it is what it is. Like, I think it should be fine. But then it's like, with me not being a citizen of that country, I don't really have the prerogative or the right or the opinion to be like, oh yeah, that law is too extreme because it doesn't pertain to me. So I guess it is what it is. Somebody says, God be with you, you freedom fighter, but why can't he disappear as usual? I don't know the circumstances in which those charms work. I guess people assume he does charms, but then he's come out to say that he's a Christian. I remember he gave out his statement one time and then he embedded a Bible verse and I was like, oh, okay. Someone here says, this write-up is a personal expression of the writer. Wait and see how it will proceed. We will see. That's all we can say. All we can say is that we will see. Hopefully he has a strong enough fan base to rock the nation if anything, unusual. If anything unusual happens. So yeah, it is what it is. Obviously it's very sad. I think it's gonna get even worse because it's not looking good at all. And the Nigerian government may just be like, you know what, we don't want him back here. They could just be like, you know what, let him stay back in Benin Republic and use their power and influence to make sure that the law there overrides and is extreme. So then coming back to Nigerians, they can use the excuse of, oh, it was not in our hands. He was in Benin Republic. They have different laws. Therefore, this happened. It is what it is. But what I think, don't forget to like and subscribe.